6 weeks ago, we started a conversation with a simple observation. Revenue management has changed. What once revolved around inventory control and manual pricing has evolved with a fast-moving commercial discipline. We explored what this shift means for hospitality education. We spoke about the confidence gap many graduates experience when they first enter revenue teams. We discussed the hidden industry cost of shadow onboarding, where leaders spend time reinforcing commercial fundamentals. We explored the challenge of curriculum architecture, where complex commercial thinking is often compressed into one late-stage subject. And we spoke about the need to better support our hospitality educators, who are asked to teach a rapidly evolving discipline within fixed syllabus structures. When we step back and look at all this together, one thing becomes clear. There are often two different worlds. The classroom world, where students learn concepts and frameworks, and the commercial world, where professionals must make pricing, forecasting, and distribution decisions in real time. The real challenge is not teaching the concepts. The real challenge is helping the students move from knowing to doing, from understanding RevPAR to deciding the price of the last available room, from learning demand theory to choosing which channel should receive the inventory. In other words, hospitality education needs a stronger bridge between the classroom and the commercial environment. And building this bridge requires better curriculum design, progressive learning pathways, and decision-based teaching. Over the past few months, while having these conversations with educators and industry leaders, we have been working quietly on something designed to support revenue management educators in teaching the discipline in a more structured and practical way. And that is good news not only for educators. It is also good news for hospitality leaders who are looking for graduates ready to contribute commercially much earlier in their careers. More on that very soon. Because when we support our educators better, we prepare stronger commercial leaders for the hospitality industry. Stay tuned.